Did I mention that in addition to trophies, we have Girl Scout cookies? We have Thin Mints, and I want everybody to remember when cookie season comes around, who provided the winners with free cookies. I've got the EdwardsBots mailing list, and I could shoot out 100 emails with QR codes in or pre-orders. Pre-orders are in December. We'll start delivery in January. You all know my daughter, Catherine. You all sang happy birthday to her. So thank you in advance. All right, are you guys ready to fight for third place? Yes. Steve, are you ready? Octomonster, are you ready? This is going for third place. Womp womp. Oh, that's not nice, Jeff. Come on, they did really well. All right, going for third place. Timer's ready. 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight for third place. Third is good. Third is exciting. There's no trophy, but it's still awesome. I'm in flashbacks to 5 minutes ago. Steve is, can you push him out? Before the time runs out? Can you, like, momentum, inertia, jogging? Wait, that looks a little wedgy. Octomonster, if it were maybe just a little bigger. All right. Do something that's advancing, or I'm going to ask you to back off, because right now it's a static hold. Make something happen instead of a static pin. All right, thank you. And they're on. 1 minute remaining. But Steve has been in charge so far. Can Octomonster turn it around? Octomonster shiniest robot in EdwardsBots 2025. Under again. Okay. This is a pin while you're sitting still and not actively doing anything with them. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Unpin. Thank you. Repin. Counts. We're back here again. We have 12 seconds on the clock. We'll let the clock run out. Wouldn't that be cool if something happened? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on. 3, come on. 2, come on. 1, come on. 0. This will go to the judges. Are you ready to rule, to deliver a verdict? Yes. Are you ready to deliver a verdict? For whom do you judge?
Steve.
For Steve?
Steve.
For Steve. For Steve as well. 3-0. Steve over Octomonster. Steve is officially third place instead of tied for third place. Right.